Not again. What? Oh my! What fire? How is it so big? It looks like a house is burning.
You have to show them Look at that fire!
A raised out a bonfire night. A typical death.
Fire!
Do you mind if I sit there, Mason?
Yeah.
Brother.
More.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, mom. Yeah. Now look at Ollie on the
Oh dear.
Mate, oi. Back. Racer.
Grayson! Video!
Ow. Ouchie. Beautiful, beautiful, elegant, delightful.
What? No!
Big one.
Yeah! Super huge! Biggest one ever!
Nice. Let's see.
Hello.
I'm recording this to YouTube.
Are you recording that to YouTube?
Yes.
Put it on my YouTube.
Oh. Oh God.
He's doing it.
I ain't terrified of this. No, I'm not petrified.
It's a rainbow.
Okay, calm down because I'm recording. Look. Hey! Whatever. Oh, this is such gonna be epic. Come on, man, where's the celebration in that? Oh. Where is it? Come on, mate, hurry. Ah. Boom, 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 boom.
Will you stop crawling out? Get me show with that.
Did in the fireworks up?
Do you want one?
Yeah. This is the fireworks.
Chop. Vanilla.
Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah. Big one.
Yes, this is really big, guys. You go start of that one.
I'm going to be sorry that I even existed.
I don't want one.
Okay. There.
Dada, let's go, Dada.
Stop running near it. Come here. Racing. Racing.
Three,
two,
one.
Oh God.
Freezing sharp and quick. Go in a minute.
dropping this car off, hadn't
Oh no,
What? That's a celebration.
Wait, what are you eating right now? What are you eating? Edible. Apple? Yeah. Who just wants one of these?
You can have one. Mama, I want one. 3 left.
I want one. Give me one. Yeah, that's a bowl.
You got it.
Got it.
Last one. Anyone want it? I'll just leave it there in case.
I'll eat it.
Or even share it.
I'll eat it.
Delicious. I love this.
You ready, baby?
Yeah! Very, very big! I never won!
What's the kick back, bro? Kick back! Hey, hold it!
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Yummy! Oh, a fire!
Because last year the fluid, it shot back at me.
Nom nom nom.
Who wants the last one?
I've already got.
I'll have that.
Who to save? Oh no, you don't have one. If you don't have one, then have it.
I won.
I mean, Staff should have it.
What?
Oh, just have it.
What?
Oh, no, just in here.
Who won?
Me!
This is so Mom!
Ah.
Oh, that's enough.
That was lucky!
Oh,
There, babe.
I can't.
Well, come on this way.
sparkle.
Yeah. Right, go over there, go over there. Right, let Paul and Ronnie go out. Right, go out there.
Lucas,
Stop.
I'm making a
Do
video.
you want me to take that box, darling?
No, I've only done 9 minutes. Let's go run out.
Not in the tent, Paul. Paul, not in the tent.
Cheers. Now after this I go.
L-U-C-A-S.
Mom!
No, I'm not running out. Young. Jesus Christ! God. No! No!
So you got through all that grass there.
I'm good about the name.
Aim back, aim out to the right. Alright then.
Smack your phone.
Vicky, what show you walking in? Oh yeah. Yeah, good news. See you, man. What's in there?
I'm going back here. Oh, Jesus Christ! Ooh, those are big cigarettes. Oh, I love smoking. Thank you. Got my cigarette. I just ate it. Yeah. Not even here yet.
Stay where I'm
See a big one, son. A big one. Yeah,
Mason.
Right, Mason, Ellen, you two stand back here because this is a big one. Come on.
He's a big boy.
If it comes anywhere near, it's running out.
Yeah, I don't think it'll fit. Oh, there we go.
Damn.
Stay back here at the gate once the fireworks are being done, do as you told, mate.
Aw.
Safety first.
If one blows up, you get burned. You
Yeah.
don't feel pain, right?
Oh, there you go. Whoa.
Oh. Well, look, we didn't get roasted alive. Everyone in there's not dead, I think.
Right. Me, I just saved myself, not the kids.
Go on, Ellie.
The video might end here, guys, but we may get up. Yeah, I'll see. Back here. Come. You know you're being recorded, right? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, whatever. Fine, no. Let's say how.
That was the most boring ever.
Do you like this bonfire night? Never mind. Do you like this so far? We have about an hour left. Don't know. Oh! Yeah. What the heck? Oh, I'm scared. Seriously. Stroke me! I struck my Leave me! Without me. April Fool! Oh. I'm just so brave, aren't I? I'm just so brave, aren't I? I guess I'm not brave. Yikes! Ow! Ow! Ouchie! Where you go? I can't wait to go on the field trip tomorrow. Yes, I'm going to a field trip in school. Okay. Yeah. No. Is this the end? Oh, no, it's not. Definitely. Yeah, it's not. I can also see the guy trying to make him on fire. So it has to be more.
This will go on for about 3 hours.
It's going on for 3 hours. That makes sense. Okay. Nice. I can't believe it's so loud. I can't believe Elliot doesn't sleep like that. Okay. Look how dark it is in the UK. Wow.
It's the pressing! It's the pressing!
Oh, yay! Yes, we do celebrate Bonfire. I do not know the meaning though. This is where some magic things are going to happen. It's falling like leaves. Oh my god! Never mind. I'm going to faint. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you seriously lying down? Are you serious? Oh, I got my phone. April Fools. Ah. Yeah. There we go. You can tell that I've easily zoomed down. Oh no. Mate, it's hot chocolate. Hold on. Yo, Ellie. So. Ah! This is boring as crap. Oh, what the fuck? Don't understand. That was boring as crap. Come on, do something better. There we go. Hey, what? Mason? Mason! Oh, where is it? Open the side! Where did Mason go? Huh? Not sure. There you are. Don't disappear. Oh, I'm not ready. What have I missed? Have I missed a lot of fireworks?
Not really, just getting started now, mate.
Yeah. Boom. This is where it all ends. Boring, yeah.
There you go.
Alright guys, we're going to stop recording now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Let's just wait until the chaos stops. Let me like that. Do I have to go now?